This tutorial will cover how to recreate batches, credit card and checking. Credit card if you want to do your declines or something happened with your original batch, and checking if you want to resubmit the returns from your bank. You're going to log in, go to the QuikCheK screen, the main member screen, and then click on your billing tab. Once you're on that tab, you're going to click on the process returns tab. On the process returns tab, you will see a list of all the billing you've ever done. Now, what you're going to do is select the batch. I'm going to use this batch as an example. Batch number 74 on the left, the date and time is here. I want to resubmit the 9 people that were denied. I can see in the denied column there were 9 of 109 that were declined. So I want to resubmit those people because this is a couple days later and we'll see if we can get that money back. You will select that batch, click on Show Batch Details. That shows you everyone in the batch. Now normally you see all the members in the batch. We're going to choose Declined Only, and then we're going to click Select All, and then Resubmit New Batch. It will ask you if you want to resubmit transactions totaling the dollar amount. That should match the lower left of your screen. I'm going to say no. Let's pretend I just want to submit 2 people that I know will go through today. I can use my Control key to highlight those people. Then I can click Resubmit New Batch. I say yes, and then I say yes. It's just asking you, are you sure you want to create the batches? Now on my Send Data tab, I have a new batch with those 2 people in it. If I click Done back on my Process Return screen and I scroll up, I'll see there's that batch of 2 people that I haven't sent yet. That's why it's red. I haven't sent that batch yet. And you can see those are the 2 people that I resubmitted. If we wanted to do checking, you would click on Checks at the bottom so you can see all your checking batches. I'm going to select batch number 76, click Show Batch Details to see everyone that was in the batch. If I wanted to redo all of the people in my checking batch, I would just click Select All, click Debit Account. You're going to say yes and yes. And then once that is done redebiting, you can go directly to your Transactions tab. Click Create Batches, yes, enter your ACH effective date, whatever date that is. Let's say it's 8/1. And now I have a new batch that will show up on my Send Data tab that I can then send to the bank. As far as invoices go, back on the Process Returns tab, I'm going to finish that batch and click on Invoices. I can select an invoice batch, click Show Batch Details again, and I can select any number of people. I'm going to use my Shift key to highlight just 5 records of Tammy, and I'm going to click Resubmit New Batch. Do you want to resubmit transactions totaling $93.75? I'll say yes. Yes. It will ask me for the invoice date and the due date. But once it's done, back on the Send Data tab, if I click on Invoices, I have a new batch dated today, 7/15/307. That's about it for resubmitting batches. Very simple process. Just remember to monitor the dollar amounts that you're looking at, and remember to use your Control key or Shift key to select multiple names on the screen. Have a great day.